Hello students, this is exercise 4A. This is a video tutorial that how are you going to do the question of this exercise. First of all, question 1 says write a multiplication sentence for each of the following addition. And part A is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So first of all, students, what you have to do, you have to count how many times 2 is given. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 is given. So you will write 3 into 2. 3 multiplied by 2. Okay. Part B. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to how many times 3 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write 4 plus 4 multiply by 3. Okay, 4 multiply by 3. This is the answer. In the same way, the third question is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how many times 1 is there? 5 times. So we will write 5 into 1. Okay. Second question. Question second says write the addition sentence and product for each of the following. So basically, children, this was multiplication sentence, and now we have to write in question second addition sentence. So how are we going to do that? Part 1, 2 into 4. So how many times we have to write 4? So we have to write 4. How many times? 2 times. So we will write 4 plus 4. Okay. This is the answer. B, 4 into 2. So we have to write 2. How many times? 4 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. In the same way, C part is saying 3 into 5. So we have to write 5. How many times? 3 times. So 5 plus, 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is the answer. Okay. Now, question 3. Question 3 says using order property of multiplication, complete each sentence. Okay. So you will write, for example, in first part, the answer is given 6 into 4 is equal to, you have to fill in the blanks. So it is actually 4 into 6. What happens? The lesser number you have to write first and the greater number you have to write in the second box. In the same way, 9 into 7. So what are you going to write it? 7 into 9. Okay, this is the answer. C, 15 into 27. 15 into 27. So you are going to write it 27 into 15. Actually, what you have to do is, children, you have to write the second number first and the first number at the second place. For example, if I write A into B, sorry. So if I write A into B, so you have to write B into A. Okay, this is the thing. So if I have written 15 into 27, look at this again. Now 6 into 4, you will write 4 into 6. 9 into 7, you will write 7 into 9. 15 into 27, you will write 27 into 15. Okay. So in the same way, you will do the fourth part also. Now let us do question fourth. Find the product. Find the product, and 27 multiplied by 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0, and any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Okay. So you are going to do this. I'm not going to explain this. Question 5. Are the following sentences true? Write T for true and F for false. Name the property used. Okay. So first, let us clear the page. Now, this is question 5. Part A, 2 into 4 in bracket multiply by 5 is equal to 2 into 4 into 5. So beta, here you can see three numbers are there, 2, 4 and 5. But in this 2 and 4 are inside the bracket, and in this 2 is outside the bracket, and 4 and 5, the second and the third number is inside the bracket. So is it true or false? Yes, it is true, because this is a property, and the name of the property is grouping property. Okay, grouping property. Why grouping property? As you can see that we are grouping. First we have grouped 2 with 4, and now we have made a group of 4 and 5. So that is why the name of the property is grouping property. Okay, the B part is 3 into 15 is equal to 15 into 3. So this property is called order property. This is also true, and this is order property. Why order property? Because we are changing the orders of the number. First I have written 3, then 15, and in right hand side I have written 15 first and then 3. So I have changed the order. That is why this property is called order property. Okay, 5,815 into 1 is equal to 5,815. So this is also true, and this property is called property of 1 in multiplication. The name of the property is property of 1 in multiplication. Okay, now part D is 44 into 15 in bracket is equal to 44 into 10 plus 5. So beta 10 plus 5 is 15. So we can say that this is also true, and the name of the property is distributive property. Distributive property. Clear? So do these 5 questions, and thank you.